there are still people buying shares of XTI Aerospace, despite them announcing the implementation of a reverse stock split, along with 2028 remaining the earliest possible delivery date for customers and the possible need to lower prices to stay competitive. Let's try to understand why some may choose to buy XTIA stock by looking at what the company promises to achieve in the face of mounting risks and challenges. In doing so, we can gain insights into why certain investors hold and why others keep a bearish stance. In short, XTI focuses on a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft called the Trifan 600 that combines the speed and comfort of business aircraft with the range and versatility of VTOLs. The vertical lift crossover airplane is designed as a 6-seat aircraft that provides fast point-to-point air travel over distances up to 700 miles, while being able to take off and land vertically. This will offer unique advantages compared to helicopters, turboprop, and light jet aircraft by reducing travel time on typical trips and having the capability to take off and land conventionally if a runway is available. The company plans to either assemble the Trifan 600 in-house or engage a third-party manufacturer. The Trifan 600 is meant for applications such as private aviation, emergency medical services, and regional air travel. Target customers include business jet and helicopter operators, major and regional airlines, companies owning and operating their own fleet, air medical operators, and individuals. In total, estimated market size for general aviation aircraft and helicopters is approximately $28.3 billion. So far, there are conditional pre-orders for over 700 aircraft and plan to offer the Trifan 600 at a base price of $10 million, which falls within the range of prices for many competing business airplanes, but offers faster mission times compared to helicopters. The Trifan 600 has completed the PDR, preliminary design review, with updates made to the aircraft's design for improved performance. Key suppliers have been identified and engaged in negotiations to support the various components or systems of the aircraft. The current DDR, Design Development Review, phase involves further interactions with these suppliers to mature major structures and systems of the aircraft and ensure compliance with federal regulations. Ongoing communication with the FAA is essential during this phase. At the same time, sales channels include direct and indirect methods, with plans to expand globally through commercial agreements. Marketing involves customer-targeted campaigns using various media platforms and focus groups. XTI also has other offerings from before the Trifan 600 became their main focus. These include indoor intelligence software and hardware products that include IoT devices, sensors, and tags for asset tracking, transceivers and modules for wireless communication, video integration for visual track and trace of assets, analytics and insights for data visualization, augmented reality and 3D solutions for digital twin creation, wireless device detection for security to identify potential risks, and enterprise apps for enhanced employee experiences in a smart workplace, as well as industrial real-time location systems, RTLS, which is offered as a SaaS platform that is primarily sold on a license and SaaS model with an annual maintenance fee. RTLS is industrial automation for indoor and outdoor areas, such as vehicle localization, production tracking, yard management, and gate allocation. The company's specific focus on RTLS relates to adapting and enhancing their product roadmap with UWB and CSS technology, 3D mapping, LiDAR, AR features, and machine learning algorithms. They plan to continue exploring AI-enhanced positioning accuracy and reliability while studying worldwide 5G deployments for future hardware and software solutions. InPix and Analytics RTLS solution offer improved visibility, predictive maintenance, process optimization, security and safety, and data-driven decision-making for indoor and outdoor asset tracking. The company is also enhancing its integration with ChatGPT to expand capabilities and provide rapid insights and interactive discussions. Additionally, they offer AR and digital twin technologies to provide real-time visualization, remote monitoring, simulation and testing, collaboration and training, all aimed at optimizing operations and improving efficiency. For Indoor Intelligence's RTLS products, sales happen through direct and indirect channels like OEMs, integrators, resellers, and distributors. XTI uses marketing strategies such as SEO, advertising, social media, trade shows, conferences, webinars, and other media to promote their products, with the main focus on areas such as automotive factories, logistics warehouses, mining operations, and government buildings. For both aircraft development and RTLS, the company faces significant competition. For the Trifan 600, XTI expect to compete with other OEMs by offering a unique crossover aircraft that combines the speed, range, and comfort of business jets with the versatility of VTOLs at a competitive price. Their RTLS business under Indoor Intelligence competes with companies like Aruba, Cisco, Juniper Networks, Mist Systems, UbiSense, Sewio, Kinexon, Zebra Technologies, among others. The company believes they offer a unique and differentiated approach in their industrial RTLS market due to their comprehensive, scalable, and technology-agnostic solutions. In terms of regulation, civilian aircraft in the U.S. are regulated by the FAA, controlling aspects such as pilot licensing, aircraft design and construction, and public airspace usage. To operate legally, every civilian aircraft must have a valid type certificate and airworthiness certificate. XTI plans to seek approval for their TriFan 600 VTOL aircraft through standard type certificates under federal aviation regulations. The company submitted an initial certification plan in Q4 of 2023 and aims to submit a formal one by 2025, with the FAA overseeing testing and analysis for safety compliance. After obtaining type and production certificates, XTI can manufacture and sell TriFan 600 aircraft commercially. This process is expected to take several years. Additionally, state, county, and municipal agencies regulate customers' operation of the TriFan 600, with zoning restrictions varying by location. Even if regulatory approvals go smoothly, it has been noted that the TriFan 600's development timeline might extend beyond expectations, and even if it stays on track, certified aircraft won't reach customers until at least 2028. Consequently, substantial revenue is not expected before that time and could be later than anticipated due to prior delays. Then it's also important to remember XTI has no experience in manufacturing non-prototype aircraft or generating revenues from their aircraft business. Furthermore, raising sufficient financing to the tune of an estimated $300 million in capital is crucial for funding the company until the first flight of the TriFan 600. Moreover, due to highly competitive markets, they may need to lower prices on some products and services to stay competitive. In the aircraft industry, the TriFan 600 faces competition from various manufacturers domestically and internationally, with potential competitors also developing alternative technologies. Similarly, the RTLS industry is rapidly evolving, leading to significant price competition and potentially forcing the company to reduce prices in response to competitor offerings. Profitability depends on pricing factors such as customer perception, new product introductions, competitor policies, market demand, procurement practices, and economic conditions. Another important fact concerns how the company has received non-binding, conditional pre-orders for their TriFan 600 aircraft, which could be terminated at any time before a definitive purchase agreement is executed. These pre-orders come with refundable deposits and do not create an obligation for customers to purchase an aircraft. Most pre-orders are subject to the execution of a definitive purchase agreement that includes final terms such as the number of aircraft and delivery timing. Weak economic conditions or competitive alternatives could result in canceled orders. On a related note, there's risk of having a limited number of customers for their RTLS business, meaning losing one or more key customers could severely impact the business. Even back in 2023, 2 customers accounted for over 10% of revenue each, while in 2022, only 1 customer made up 23% of revenue. The company is also exposed to risks faced by any single dependent customer, which could affect payment. Without a doubt, there are some serious risks and challenges surrounding XTI. However, the optimists hold on in the hopes the potential of RTLS and the TriFan 600 will materialize and turn things around. For more on XTI Aerospace and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.